If it smashed that target, I'm gonna bank like 4% on that one, risk 1%, and my risk right now is like nothing. What's going on, what's going on, traders? I hope you're all having a good time. It's Raphael back again. Yeah, let's talk about some trades, guys. I shared some analysis yesterday for Euro US dollar, EURJPY, GBP JPY, and gold. Well, yesterday I took 4 trades in all of these markets. I was short on the EURJPY as soon as I saw that the structure here is broken. I was entering somewhere here in this area on EURJPY, stop above the structure. It was fucking around a little bit, but it finally made the drop. I already closed half of my position, so I'm risk free. Stop is still over here, and I try to let this thing run to the bottom really, and trying, if it smashed that target, I'm gonna bank like 4% on that one, risk 1%, and my risk right now is like nothing. I already banked half of my profit, the other half is still in the game without risk at all, with a small profit in worst case. But if it smashed the target, what I think it will do, because we have a clear downward trend, but let's see, we never know. But if we do, we're gonna bank like 4% profit. Euro US dollar made a bitch move yesterday. I was entering somewhere around in this area over here. I can show you on a 5-minute chart. I was entering over here somewhere around in this area where I saw that the price starting to fall, because we have a clear downward trend on Euro US dollar as well. But overnight it hit some stops over here before it made that drop finally to this morning, but I was still sleeping, so I couldn't catch it, and I think now is a little bit too late to get in. I would wait for deeper retrace before I would try to step into the game, because the risk reward is not the best in that trade, so I will just leave it like it is. Took that loss on that one with 1% this morning. GBP JPY, like I was entering over here because same thing, structure was broken. I thought like it will drop, but it didn't. In fact, it was consolidating, and then overnight it just smashed the stop loss with 1% loss and keeps pushing. But right now it's, if you check the 4-hour chart, it is at the high, it is at a significant high, and it already made a strong move above. So we could see if we can maybe get a reversal on GBP JPY and maybe sell this thing again, but only if we get a nice entry. And then, because it is kind of against the trend, if we would sell this one, maybe we would lower the risk. Maybe instead of trading with 1% risk, we use a 0.5% or something like that. You can do it however you want, but wait for confirmation before you step into the game, guys. And yeah, what else do we have? Gold. Yeah, gold was pretty cool yesterday, and I had a lot of luck, honestly, because I was getting in as soon as I saw that the structure breaks somewhere around in this area. I had to stop over here, and my target was the target was this high over here. So I was banking profits around 1,854 or something like that, just before that significant level, and it nearly hit my stop. Like, it was so close. Like, I had my stop over here and it came down. It was really close. So this was a lucky run, but still made our 2.5% on that one with 1% risk. So overall it was a great trade. And right now we see kind of a reversal, but New York session is still not going. Like we have still 2 hours left until the New York session start, and it could be that it will consolidate somewhere around in this area. So I would wait for a false breakout or a bigger type of a stop hunt before it will continue to go up. This is what I'm looking for. So if we get a false breakout to the top and it snaps back, then I'm sure we're gonna see a deeper retracement before it will go up again. So yeah, this is what I'm expecting. I'm checking out. If we look at GBPUSD, made kind of the same move as GBPJPY, but the impulse levels are just more clear. I don't like GBPJPY right now because it was going up too straight. Like we don't have like these levels, you know. And on GBPUSD we are at the top as well. So if we can get a nice reversal pattern, it already smacked. It already slashed through the recent high. If we can get a nice reversal pattern on GBPUSD, we could see and try to ride this thing to the downside, maybe with 0.5% instead of 1% because it's against the trend. But anyways, yeah, let's see what we got for today. I'm still holding EURJPY, like I told you. That's the only trade I'm holding right now. Made some good profit already today, and overall for the week I'm still down 20 grand, which is like 0.3%. But if we can smack that EURJPY, week will be awesome. Guys, I wish you an awesome trading day, and yeah, have fun guys. Peace out. Every time when, why you falling in love?